Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to show you how to dress up the hood of your JK Wrangler. If you're looking to eliminate hood flutter in your JK as well as dress up the hood a little bit, today we're going to be installing these Kentrol stainless steel black hood catches onto our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. These hood catches are constructed using a T304 stainless steel, then finished in a durable high gloss powder coat. It features all the necessary hardware to get them installed, and it fits all 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK Wranglers. With that being said, let's get them installed. Tools you need for this installation: 3/8 inch ratchet, 10mm socket, and a 13mm socket. On our 2008 Jeep Wrangler, we were experiencing a little bit of hood flutter on here. The first step of this installation is going to be to remove these factory worn out hinges. We're going to pop the hood, get started. As you can see on the lower part of the hood latch, there is a small nut on the inside. It's pretty hard to see, however you can get it with a few wobble extensions. Go ahead and remove the two 10mm nuts up top here. And you don't need to hang on to any of this hardware. The Kentrol kit comes with everything you need. With both of those removed, you're now ready to install your new latches. We're going to install the lower section first. As you can see, there are two pins. Those are going to go on the top, and the stud will slide in. Now you do have to put the washer and lock nut on the back side, which is kind of tricky to do. Try not to drop the nut. If you do, hopefully it falls onto the ground. Once you get them both on, then we can go ahead and tighten this up. This is going to use the same 13mm socket that you used to remove the factory bolt. This little rubber isolator goes on after this is tightened. As you can see, ours was missing it, so we have a ton of paint scratch there. This is going to prevent any of that issue, and it slides right over. Now we can move on to the top. The next step is going to be to put the upper part of this bracket on. As you can see, we've got the rubber isolator as well as it angled down in this position. It's going to slide through from the outside in. Then we're going to put washers and lock nuts on both of the studs. Then go ahead and tighten these both down with a 10mm socket. After you have both of them tightened down, complete the same process on the other side, and your installation is complete. We just wrapped up the installation of these Kentrol black stainless steel hood catches onto our 2008 Jeep Wrangler. These look really nice, plus they're going to eliminate any possibility for hood flutter in the future. It was a super simple installation, only took about 30 minutes to get done. You can find them here as well as many other great parts for your JK at cjponyparts.com.